Hello guys, in this video we will try to cover the engagement part of Google Analytics. So for that we will go to the engagement, and here we will start with the overview. So once we click in the overview, so currently this is the entire overview of the engagement section. So here we can see the average engagement time of a user, and here's the real-time data of a user visiting, which is last 30 minutes. And here in the below we can see this is the total count of view and total count of events. You can say total event count. And here there are these are the entire events this website has. The Google Merchandise Store, the entire event, and here is the page title and the screen classes. So this we will cover all this part. So this is the overview, and now let's come to the event. So the events are basically the user interaction with the website. So whenever a user interact with your content, that basically triggers a event. So let's suppose when somebody read your content, so they basically trigger the view event, and when somebody scroll the web page, so they basically trigger the scroll event. So yeah, this is all about the event. So in this event section, here we can see how people are interacting with the different event, and in the below you can see these are all view promotions, page view, user engagement, scroll, view item. All these are events only. So let's suppose if you want to search any organic event, so for that I will select here, I will go to acquisition, and I will select the first user source medium. So basically it will show the source as well as through which medium the traffic are coming, and here we will select the organic and search. So here you can see the event which are organic. Through organic traffic the events got triggered. So here purchase, add payment info, so all this. And here at the row section you can select how many data you want to see. So currently it is showing 10, so you can select from 10 to thousands. So if we select 100, so basically it will show 100, and if you scroll down then it will show the entire events. And here you can jump to any pages. So currently we are at 1, so we can jump to 200, 120 or wherever. Okay, so this is the event, and now let's come to the conversions. So the conversions are the objective of using the website, right? Because if you are having a e-commerce website, then purchase is your conversion. Then if you have a service related website, then filling the forms or contacting is your conversion. So basically these are all, conversion is nothing but the events only. So if you go to the configuration, and here if we go to the events, so this is currently the entire event of the website. So these are all event, and this is the count. And here basically whenever in the mark as conversion section, once we enable the option, whichever the event you want to use as a conversion, you need to simply select this enable this button. So currently we are at Google Merchandise Store, so we can't have the access for this option. So but for your personal Google Analytics account, it would be enabled. It will show the option to enable or disable. So whichever conversion you want to use whichever the event you want to use as a conversion, you need to simply enable this option, and in the report section it will be automatically track the data for that conversion. So yeah, these are all event. Whichever you select the event, it will be show in this option only. And now next come to the page and screen. So here in the page and screen, currently which uh, page of the website we are getting the visitors, or you can say the organic or viewers, and yeah, currently it is showing as page title and screen classes. So if we select here, so page path, and I will select the page path and query. So now it will show based on page URL. So it's a good practice to do the analysis from the with the web page URL only, because it's a really less chance to see the changes in the URL instead of page title and all. So here also, if you want to see the organic traffic, so here I will select this acquisition, and again I will select the source and medium. So basically it will show from which source and through which medium we are getting the organic traffic. And yeah, once it is selected, then here again I will type organic, then it will show the organic traffic. So here you can see our organic traffic, we are getting like 2249 of organic traffic, and these are the organic views, users, and these are the views. And here if we go here, we can select the conversion, and here we can select how many organic purchases have done. So yeah, so in this way you can do the analysis with the engagement option, and you can observe how people are engaging with your website. So in the next video we will cover the monetization option, and we will go through each section one by one. So see you in the next video.